Wildfires are devastating to people and ecosystems, killing hundreds of people every year, destroying ecosystems, and causing billions of euros in damage. And if we leave it to the governments, it will always be too late. But we are moving from too late to early enough. Let's act fast and together right now. We are going to prevent, prepare, respond, and recover. To prevent, we will create a fire detection and prediction system. We will collect data from satellites, ground sensors, drones, and user reports. All this data will be processed with the help of artificial intelligence to better detect and predict the occurrence of wildfires. And alerts will be sent to local fire brigades and firefighters, citizens, and tourists. All the data collected can also be used by farmers to improve their farming methods and to maximize outputs. This will be an important source of revenue for the project. Web3 tools offer an excellent opportunity for community engagement and interactions with stakeholders. One such initiative is the To Earn program, which operates on an incentive-based system. Participants in this program receive tokens as their rewards for their active involvement. In this initiative, farmers and landowners will install sensors that collect valuable data. Their efforts are duly recognized and rewarded with tokens deposited directly into their digital wallets through a decentralized app. This Data to Earn program will reward participants for collecting and submitting valuable data as part of the initiative before the occurrence of fires. But the alert system alone is not enough to engage audiences. So an educational and inspirational program will be created using gamification, virtual and augmented reality in a learn-to-earn system, enabling users to be able to explore local culture and ecosystems, which will encourage users to become more invested, connected, and involved in their ongoing protection. Also, a Prevent to Earn program will work to ensure that the most endangered areas are less susceptible to fires by creating solutions to hold valuable moisture in the land and trees. Now, the heart of the project is the connection with the community. Only they can act quickly to report and help fight fires rapidly. Our decentralized app will help connect all parties. This way, Alert to Earn and Firefight to Earn programs will reward action during wildfires. Finally, we unite biological, physical, and virtual actions to restore landscapes damaged by fires promptly, providing rewards via a Restore to Earn program. Our MVP will focus on the Greek island of Crete, where the team is already in touch with local communities and programs. The economy of Crete is highly dependent on the environment and has suffered from wildfires in recent years, meaning it has a critical need for our program. Although starting to fundraise with government subsidies and corporate support, the project aims to be financially sustainable by building multiple revenue streams, including data sales, which will become the main source of income. Our roadmap started with the ideation in the hackathon, and the next step is to create a more detailed plan of action and a budget for an MVP. Our multidisciplinary team brings together experts from complementary areas of science and business modeling, from conservation and sustainability to software development, Web3, pattern recognition, image and signal processing, and artificial intelligence. We are the Fire Guardians, and you can be one too. Please contact us if you can contribute as a partner, sponsor, or fundraiser.